ladies, welcome to my channel, and today's video is a tutorial on this look. And I was in the store and I saw this gorgeous NYX palette, the Off Tropic palette in Shifting Sand, and it's so freaking gorgeous. Look guys, how gorgeous is this? Really? Seriously guys? I focused mainly on orangey shades since I haven't used orange that much. But if you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned and check out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and tap that bell next to it too, because I post a video every Friday. Yes, and that way you get notified each time I post a video. Without further ado, let's get the show on the road. Enjoy, guys! I am super excited to get to this palette. So I already did my base, I did my brows just to save some time. If you want to know how I, do my base and my foundation and all that, go to this link up here. It's my newbie series and it's how to do your foundation and your powder and all that stuff. So you can see all that up there. So I'm going to start with this light color up here. I'm just going to apply that all over my eye. And this is just kind of going to be sort of like a base. So you're not really going to see this color. Oh, there's no fallout, guys. It's like no fallout on the palette anyways. We'll see how it goes. So far, I can't really say anything yet. This orange shade right here. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and I'm just going to apply it to the corners here. And I'm using a very light touch because I don't want it, I don't know this palette. It might be like you put it on and it's like boom. So you always want to make sure that you lightly apply it so you really see what's going on and just blend. I'm gonna put some more product here in the corner here. I really want it to be like fire, man. Oh yes, look. We are going to try to apply this shade right here. So here we go. We're just gonna like dab it. Oh, look at that. Yes, I am feeling this. Okay, we're just gonna continue and apply it to the center of the eyelid. And then slowly work it towards the inner corner. We are going back in with this lighter color here, again, just to make it a little bit more prominent right there. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna put a little more up there. The highest part of the eyebrow, that's where you want to light it up the most. I'm going to clean up the eyeshadow. I'm using concealer for this. I'm going to use my NYX eyeliner. It's my favorite, so it makes it easy for me. And I think I'm going to go for a medium-sized wing. As you can see, I'm totally winging this, which I do with most of my tutorials. Oh, I'm winging this. Okay. I got jokes. Oh. I am going to apply my mascara. I'm just doing one layer because I'm wearing falsies, but I still want my lashes to have some, you know, something to hold on to. I'm using a Diorshow from Christian Dior. And if you guys haven't noticed, I mix name brands like high-end, low-end, no-end. I don't care. Makeup is makeup. And sometimes lower-end brands are just as good as high-end brands. You just have to discover them. So I'm going to put on the lashes and then I will be right back. Okay, and these are my favorite lashes, guys. They're the double up lashes from Ardell. And I like them because they're flamboyant and big and, you know, out there. So I'm going to touch up my eyeliner a little bit so that you can't see the band. We're going to line the under eye with black eyeliner. And we're going to go in with that darker color and we're going to put it right underneath our eye. And you want to kind of smudge out that line. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this. That's it for the eyes. I absolutely love it. I do. I totally do. But we're not done yet. I might try this Pixi. Let's see. It is a matte, but we'll see how it goes. Let's try it. Ooh. It is super girly. I love it. Now this is a matte color and it's called Orange Red. To tone down the lips because they're very pink, very orange, I'm gonna mix this one in. This is Matte Last Liquid Lip Au Naturel, also from Pixi, and I'm gonna apply that in the center of my lip just to kind of tone it down. There. Yes, people. So I'm going to apply the Buxom Mikanos Wanderlust blush. There. And then to add that gorgeous glow, I'm going to use the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Sculpt Expert palette. I'm going to go in with this shade over here, just to add that glow. Oh, people! And this side too. And I just want to add some up here too. Down the center of my nose. And ding, 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 ding. Just for the setting spray, I'm using the Wonder Beauty Glow Getter Mist. Of course, Glow Getter. Heck, have it. So here we go. Oh, that feels so refreshing. Well, that was it for my tutorial, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know. Sound up below in the comments. And that's it. I'll be back next Friday with another video.